Microsoft recently released its Windows 11 February 2026 update, and it has some interesting features. In this video, you will see the preview of new features as well as their workings. To have all these new features, you must install the recent update, which Microsoft has started rolling out. Go to your Windows Update section. Make sure that you have enabled this Get the Latest Updates as soon as they are available option. Then check for updates. Windows 11 February feature update will show as KB5077241 and the build number as 26200.7922. Wait for the update to be downloaded and get installed. Restart your PC, and then you can check the build number to make sure the update has installed, as some people are facing issues with the installation. The first new feature is speed test from the taskbar. Now you can speed test the network directly from the taskbar. You can do this by right-clicking on the network icon in the taskbar. You will see this option, Perform Speed Test. Clicking on it launches the default browser, and from there you can do the speed test. This option is going to be useful when you are facing issues with the internet connection. You don't have to open third-party websites to test the internet speed now. Microsoft has introduced several new emojis in its emoji panel. You can launch the emoji panel by pressing Windows plus the dot button. You can also visit the settings, then go to the personalization and taskbar. Under the system tray icons, you can enable the emoji option to be shown in the taskbar all the time or while typing, so now make your conversations funkier. The Widgets app now has a change. Now the widget settings open in full page view instead of in a pop-up view. Now it's better to customize your widgets section. If you find this newsfeed annoying in your widgets, you can disable it. I have another video for this. Click on the I button or check the description. The camera app also got some new features. Now you can pan and tilt your camera. If your camera supports it, you can use these sliders to pan, tilt, and zoom. My webcam is facing some issues, so I cannot show you the preview, but now you know where to find the options. Another new feature for Windows 11 Pro users is the Quick Machine Recovery. You can reach this option in Settings System tab and then in the Recovery. This option is enabled by default. In case your PC failed to start, this Quick Machine Recovery option tries to fix the issue. If you enable this option, it will automatically apply the fixes according to the issue or error your PC is facing. The next new addition is the Smart App Control. It is inside the Windows Security and then App and Browser Control. This feature will prevent new and emerging threats by blocking malicious apps. It will also stop potentially unwanted apps that unnecessarily consume your PC's resources, hijack your browser settings, or display ads. However, you cannot turn on this feature if you have reached this Windows 11 build using the update. It will only be available to fresh Windows 11 installations or when you reset your PC. I don't know why, though. The next feature we have is the Windows Protected Print Mode. This feature is added to provide better security for printing by following the latest security standards for printer software. This feature is also designed to provide a smoother printing experience. However, if you enable this feature, the old printer's drivers will be uninstalled and you won't be able to use them. So make sure that you have the latest modern printers that support this feature. Microsoft has improved some start menu features in this update. But my PC doesn't have those. It is because of the slow rollout of the features, which means that you might have installed this February update, but you might or might not get all the features. In the Start menu search, now you will see the count of results found in every group. You can click on the groups that have a large number of results to filter out others. Also, in the Start menu account section, they have included a link that will take you to the benefits page, where you can see all Microsoft account benefits. These were all the major new features of the Windows 11 February update. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.